This is NT5676. Whoever's on top at the end will win the Angels. Angels won't be on the list because they can't win themselves. 5 times. Here we go. Removing Angels. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top is Braves. Bottom is. I was about to hit the bottom is. The top is the Braves. 5 times. Let's find out who's got the Braves in this one. 5, 6, 7, 6. Is there 2 5, 6, 7, 6s? Don't be dumb, Blakey. Braves are with Nathaniel Davidson. Congratulations. Plus Angels. Good luck, everyone. Oh. Here we go. What will we find? Booklet in every box. Let's do this. Nearly took the finger off. Alrighty. Was there a base in this? Alrighty. First up, for Detroit to 99, it is a Kilbadoo. Gee willikers, that could be nice. What's on the bottom? To 99, it is Yordan Alvarez for Houston. To 99, Game Gear for Boston, Xander Bogaerts, Boston Red Sox. I'm just going to go with some fixed sleeves. Alrighty. For Baltimore, it is a 99 of Dean Kremer. Dean Kremer to 99. Oh, you're 99. Jersey Auto. To 99, it is Brent Rooker from Minnesota. Signature materials. Oh, sorry, just signatures. NT on-card auto for the Minnesota Twins, Brent Rooker. To 99, it is Tanner Hook, RPA for Boston Red Sox. Yeah, there's a booklet in every box. With 96 and 99. Oh, wow. To 25, Jose Abreu, Signatures Game Gear. To 25. And then to just 15, Legendary Silhouette. Oh, it's a random between the 2 Dodgers teams, Mookie Betts and Mike Trout. 4 of 15. Bit of bat patch of Trout, bit of back patch of Betts. I can't even speak anymore. That's very nice. Cool dual patch there. Quite a nice design card as well. Let's find out who gets it. Big random coming up. Just make sure that they're both not going to the same person already. And the Dodgers. Chris. All right, here we go. Definitely nice looking card. Not of extreme value, if we're being honest, but it'll be nice. Quite the random. Sure. You know what? I'll contact both. I'll contact both on Monday and just be like, hey, do you guys want to go to random or do you want to buy it? NT5676 done.